Swing bowling is a technique used for bowling in the sport of cricket. The aim of swing bowling is to cause the ball to move in air or swing in air while delivering many fast-paced ball to the batsman in the hope that the change in the ball's flight path will deceive the batsman and cause them to play the ball incorrectly. Welcome to Authentic Science Video 64. How cricket ball swings. Let's see the science behind it. Know about different swings and mystery behind it. Difference between spin and swing ball. Spin bowling involves bowling slow-paced balls which change direction primarily after making contact with the ground. But swing ball happens in air because of the aerodynamic force. Spin ball happens in slow velocity bowling while swing ball happens in a fast ball. Laminar flow is well ordered and parallel flow which separate the surface at 82 degree. But turbulent flow on other hand has no order and it fluctuates in all directions. Turbulent flow separates at later about 120 degree. If we are able to create laminar flow in one side and turbulent flow on other side, this will make a force towards turbulent flow and ball will deflect to that side. How turbulent flow is created? For every cricket ball, there is a stitch or seam over it. The turbulent flow is created on the seam or stitch side by tripping the laminar flow. Thus, a force is created towards the seam side. This will help the ball deflect towards the turbulent side. This is a normal swing. This has been proved by NASA by the smoke test. The results have been shown in the picture given in the side. Let's see about the in-swinger and out-swinger. If the seam side of cricket ball is towards the batsman, the ball will shift to the side of batsman. This is known as in-swinger. And if the seam side is in the off side of batsman, ball will shift more away from the batsman. This is known as outswinger. Let's see the role of a spin in a swing ball. Swing depends upon the angle between the flow and the seam, the optimum angle being 20 degree. To remain in the position, ball requires stability. Spin provides the stability to the ball to stay at 20 degree even if there is a mild disturbance from outside forces, for example, force of wind, etc. Spin of about 14 revolutions per second is optimum for the cricket ball. More spin creates a turbulence on the other side of the ball by increasing the roughness. Effect of swing will be reduced if more spin occurs. So, the spin in the swing ball should be optimum for about 14 revolutions per second. What is reverse swing? To know about that, we should know what is transition point. Transition point is a point where laminar flow becomes turbulent. Now with the increase of velocity of ball, the transition point shifts to front, that is a point before the seam on both sides, as shown in the picture. But the seam creates a disturbance in the turbulent boundary layer of air and it, that is the flow, will separate early. That is, instead of 120 degree, the flow will separate at 60 to 100 degree. That is, simply the flow behaves like a laminar flow. And this creates an asymmetry and the force direction will be reversed. That is, the ball will deflect opposite to the seam side. Simply, reversing is just the opposite of swing ball. Now, how can we improve the efficiency of swing bowling? This can be done by making the seam side rough by rubbing the ball and the opposite side smooth. For reverse swing, a very fast velocity bowling, that is about 140 km per hour bowling, is needed. But at the end of the innings, since the ball becomes rough, reverse swing happen at comparatively slow speed also. Thank you.